Welcome to Chasin Garden Greens. Today I went down to Target and I found these Buzzy seeds. It says Cactus Garden. $2.49. That's not a bad price for some cactus seeds. It's in this tin. Let me open it up, see what it's got inside. It's got the medium. It's got the seeds. There's no hole in the container. It says about 3 to 5 seeds. So let me put that in there. Since it doesn't have any holes at the bottom, I'm going to put this in a little at a time. Not going to rush it. And just watch it a little bit. Don't rush it. Let me open up the seed pack, see how they look. Oh yeah, so they're loose in there. 4 seeds. Four seeds down in there. See, this thing got a little big. Put a little bit more water in there, see what happens. It said the growing medium is from Netherlands. The container is from China. Assembled in the USA. It doesn't say where the cactus seeds come from. www.buzzyseeds.com. Alright, now let me break that medium up. See, it's gonna need a little more water. That's a lot of growing material. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Put a little bit more. Try to get that hard piece to absorb that water. There we go. That little block of cocoa core and all this we got out of it. The whole tub. You know the drill. I'm gonna take some out. Let's see if I can do this. Show you all the size of the seeds without losing any. Alright. See that little seed there? Put one right there. Put one right there. Put one right there. I gotta find the other one. Oh, there it is. Refocus, you guys. Put it right there. It's got little. You can probably put it on a string or something. Hang it from somewhere. Whatever you like to do with it. If you decide to get one of these, I found this at my local Target. $2.49. I don't even know where the seeds are in there. So small. So I'm gonna grab the little bit I've got from the, put it off to the side. Spread it around. Pack it in. Just like that. www.buzzyseeds.com. Thank you guys for watching Chasing Garden Greens.